I'm over here in Friendswood at Nita's, and it's a big day over here. We've got a lot of progress. Ceilings are painted, tile is going in. It is loud and messy and dusty over here, which is a good sign for progress. Today we're going to be installing a pocket door, and so I will keep you updated on that. More to come. Okay, so pardon all the drilling and noise behind me. There's the man, Luis, and I'm here with my dad from Christner Woodworkers, and you can find his pocket HDPOCKETDOORS.com. So here is how it arrived. He had it shipped here from Phoenix, and it arrived here in Houston in this box, and here's their pieces. And Jim here is going to be schooling my contractor today and teaching him how to install one of his pocket door frames. So we'll keep up to date with that. And just a side note, Dad went ahead and donated this frame for our friend Nita. Just his contribution, one of the many contributions he's made to Hurricane Harvey victims. So we thank you for that, Dad.
You're welcome.
Looks like we're in business. Nice. If you want to learn more about the pocket doors from Christner Woodworkers, go to HDPOCKETDOORFrames.com. All right, give me 5, Dad. Woo!